Hey there DevChamp. We have gathered here once again to discuss relational database management system. In this video we shall discuss the difference between primary key and unique key constraint. This video is a short video of complete discussion on integrity constraints in dbms. If you have missed it out, watch the video by clicking on the link above. Link is also available in the description below. So let's do this. Unique constraint. As the name specifies, this refers to the limitation on a column that data in that specific column has to be unique, which means no duplicate or redundant data can occur in that column. If we discuss the student_data table example, and we apply unique constraint on student ID column, then this constraint shall ensure that two students cannot get same student ID, i.e. there cannot be two students having student ID equals 2. So, if anyone tries to allocate student ID equals 2 to any new student, an error shall be generated and record will not be entered. Now, let's discuss our third type of constraint, which is primary key constraint. Primary key, as we have already discussed in detail previously, needs to identify a row in a table, uniquely. Which means, unique key constraint is by default applied, if a column is defined as a primary key. Moreover, as we also discussed, that a column which is also a primary key, cannot have a null value, i.e. it has to have some value and cannot be left empty. Which takes us to the fact that if a column is defined as a primary key, it will have unique key constraint and not null constraint applied to it, by default. So, for example, if student ID is defined as primary key of our student_data table, then it has to be unique and cannot be null.